Good morning from the American Muscle Car Museum, sunny Melbourne, Florida. Great day out today. Out from the collection, we've got a 1955 Chevrolet convertible. It's done up in a gypsy red. Interior is a red and beige with a beige top. Nice color combination between this red and the beige. 55 was the model change. The whole style changed in 1955. Beautiful looking cars. The power options in these cars, this particular car has a 265 first year for the V8 for Chevrolet, and 4-barrel carburetor, 180 horsepower, running it through a 3-speed transmission. This particular car has a 3-speed overdrive, which was one of the options for these cars. This car was a frame-off restoration. It has 1.8 miles since the restoration on it, so it is fresh. Car has 35 dealer options on it. We'll kind of get into a little of those. If you look up here, you've got the grill guard protector across the front. You've got the wire spoke hubcaps on the car. After the frame-off restoration, this car was entered in a National Classic Chevrolet show. They give you 1,000 points and they grade from there. This car scored 997. That's 3 points from being perfect. It's just an absolutely beautiful car for the 1955 model change. As we've talked about before, this car is 35 dealer options on it. All the options back here, the Continental kit was an option. The bumper with it is an option. These guards here are an option. They come with this Continental kit. If you move around here, this little bracket right beside the gas tank, that's an option also. Same thing with the exhaust tips. Those are all options. The car has 35 options on it. Just a real nice example of 1955 Chevrolet. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it.